So this is the balinghoy laing. Balinghoy, ginataang balinghoy. Yumminess, guys. Sobrang yummy. Nagagata na siya, guys. Luto na yung gata niya. Grabe, sarap. Grabe. Yumminess, guys. Luto na ang ating balinghoy. Kain na tayo, guys. Yummy balbon. Grabe, sarap, oh. Grabe, nakikita nyo ba yan? Ganyang kalupit ang balinghoy. Ginataang balinghoy ni Amore. Napakasarap, guys. Ginataang balinghoy. Yummy. Tuna, guys.